Got him. Get out of there, come on. Got my net ready.
What is that, crappie? Oh wow, yeah. On a minnow or what?
Yep. The last bite was on a plastic, but I put a minnow on just cause. Beautiful. There's 1.5 pounds.